All right, here's Marcus Bagwell. Usually your plate is full with all the weather. Right now, you've been through the buffet line. You've got our weather. It's changing again. And what's going on in the Gulf of Mexico?
Yeah, well, things may be picking up there. It's very warm, those waters are right now. And one of the reasons that we saw last week Grace intensify to a major hurricane before landfall is because of the water temperatures.
It's like bath water.
Yeah, that's true. And now we anticipate perhaps another storm that may move toward that region, and it may head toward Texas or Louisiana. We're going to talk more about it in just a moment. Let's first get through our local weather, and things are fairly quiet this afternoon. It's the heat that continues. A live picture from Longview showing a mainly sunny sky. You can see some of those faint cumulus clouds that are just hanging on for us. As we get more stable air, those clouds will fall apart and we'll go back to a moonlit sky. Hasn't that been pretty over the last couple of nights? It certainly has been. Here's a check of the temperatures. Now, I originally thought that we would get into the upper 90s to near 100 in a few areas. Yeah, that did not happen at all. Lower to mid 90s for most areas. The exception would be from Linden down to Center, Hemp Hill, Lufkin, and Nacogdoches. They peaked a bit earlier between about 96 and 98 degrees. You notice some cloud cover in deep East Texas too. That's where we are keeping an eye on a few thunderstorms. The rest of us have been dry. However, that may change as well in the next couple of days. Here's our area of thunderstorms. This is mainly moving through Louisiana into Leesville. We'll cross over into Newton County shortly. But there are some showers and storms in between Manny and Leesville that look to cross the Toledo Bend Reservoir and move into Sabine County. We'll probably get some gusty winds and some brief heavy rainfall, but that should not last too much longer. As the sun continues to go down, we'll lose the daytime heating, and that should keep our rain chances at 0 for the overnight hours. Here's our change in the weather pattern. The low rain chances are going to move back in because the ridge of high pressure starts to move off to the northwest initially and then turns more north and northeast. Either way, it's not parked over us. That means some disturbances from the east can move in, and we're only looking at isolated rain chances. I really don't think anything major is expected, but some areas that could see rain may even experience some heavier downpours. This will continue through the end of the week because the high moves all the way back out into the Atlantic. And notice what happens at this point. Yeah, we've got to keep an eye on the tropics now with this next disturbance that could make a run toward the Gulf of Mexico. Here's what we're tracking for you now in the tropics. We've got 3 disturbances that are moving through. The main one of note is going to be located here in the Caribbean. At this time, it is north of South America. In the next 5 days, 60% chance of tropical formation, and with very warm waters in the Gulf, it is likely to strengthen. Here's how our 2 main global computer models play this out. The Global Forecast Model, or the GFS, has this system by Monday afternoon moving toward the Texas-Mexico border with some heavier rain. Tyler not in here, or East Texas, I should say, not in this map, but we do expect some rainfall from it. Different scenario, though, with the European model from earlier this morning. It has it moving toward Louisiana. And notice East Texas may not get much out of it. There are a lot of question marks here at this point, and we're certainly going to have to keep an eye on that. The storm track is too early to know, but conditions in the Gulf are favorable for the storm to strengthen, and we've got a special track in the tropics that I know you would be interested in. That'll be tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock from our team of meteorologists across the country. In the short term, the heat is the story, but there will be a few showers and thunderstorms. Rain chances from the tropics would not get started until about Sunday into next week. Of course, anything beyond Saturday is really in question at this moment. In deep East Texas, we've got some rain chances the next couple of days, a greater coverage of some showers and storms to end the week as temperatures come down into the low 90s.
News Nation.